Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to remove and replace a rotary and directional hydromassage jet on a 1996 through 2011 Hot Spring, Hot Spot, Solana, and Tiger River spa. Step 1. Remove the old rotary or directional hydromassage jet from the jet body by unscrewing it or pulling it straight out. Step 2. Install the new jet by screwing it into the jet body. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.